Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to start 7b of chapter 7. So here we are going to do some word problems. Number 1 is, when loaded with bricks, a lorry has a mass of 11,600 kg. If the mass of the bricks at 3 times that of the empty lorry, find the mass of the bricks. So we have to make some statement for such kind of questions in order to solve them. So we have to suppose, first of all, and consider the mass as an unknown, that is a variable. Let the mass of the empty lorry equals to x. Let's say it is x. So of course it is a mass, so it has some kind of unit. So here I'm writing kg. Let's solve it. We have given a mass in kg as well. Now mass of bricks equals to 3 times. They have already given us the mass of the empty lorry, so we are assuming it as 3 times x. Since the mass of the empty lorry is x, so 3 times of the mass of bricks is equals to 3 times x, that is 3x. So we are going to write lorry plus bricks. It is already given in the question, 11,600 kg. So I am writing the equation simply. We are equating x plus 3x, mass of empty lorry and mass of bricks, equals to 11,600. So here 4x equals to this, and you know that on one side it is multiplication, so other side it is division. So 4 times x will be in the denominator. 11,600 will be divided by 4. So we will get 2,900. So since the mass of bricks is 3 times of x and the mass of empty lorry is x, so x we have achieved 2,900. So now we have to times it. So x, it is 29 kg, 2,900 kg. Now we are times it with the 3 in order to get mass of bricks. So here we got the mass of brick equals to 2,900 kg. So don't forget kg to be written. Now we have to find out 3 times of the mass. So we are simply going to write 3 multiplied by 2,900 kg. So simply times it and get the answer. 300, 300 and 3927 to carry 3 6 7 8 8,700 kg. So these are the two answers. We have obtained mass of bricks as well. That's easy, I hope. Now let's move to the next question. The sum of 4 consecutive odd numbers equals to 56. Find the greatest of the 4 numbers. So in order to find this out, what we are going to do, we are going to assume the numbers, right? Since we don't know what are the numbers, and we have to sum these 4 consecutive numbers. All right. So x is the first number we are going to assume, then x plus 2, then x plus 4, x plus 6, since they are 4 consecutive numbers. Keep that in mind that the number they have said odd. We need to focus on the odd consecutive numbers, right? So 1 is the odd, 3 is the odd place, 5 is also an odd place, and 7. So if first number is 1, then the third number will be 1 plus 2 is 3, then 1 plus 4 it will be 5, and 1 plus 6 it will be 7, obviously, right? Keep that in mind that we have to make them odd. So, and their sum is equals to 56. So, taking these given data, making it in the statement form, it will be easy for us to transform it in the normal arithmetic sum. So first is x, we are summing it up, x plus 2, x plus 4 and x plus 6 equals to 56. This is our equation. As you can see, I'm just gathering all the alphabets and gathering all those constant numbers to making it simplify. Easy peasy. Equals to 56 will remain same. I have added them, simply added them up. No confusion at all. So on one side it is addition, on the other hand side it will be negative, and the other method I told you to just subtract the same number, alternate sign. So 56 minus 12, it will be 44, and 4 is being multiplied on the other hand, it will be divide, so it will be simply 11. So first number we have obtained is x equals to 11. So second number will be x plus 2, कितना हो जाएगा, x plus 2 13 12 13, and 11 plus 4 it will be 15, 11 plus 6 it will be 17. Let's do it. First is 11, 13, 15 and now 17. So these are the four consecutive numbers. Odd numbers you have obtained, right? Automatically you have obtained unique numbers, odd numbers. So find out the greatest one. It's so simple. Now let's move to the next one. Third, they are saying David is 4 years older than Sarah and Yasir 2 years younger than with Sarah. If the sum of their ages is 47, find the age of Sarah. Now assuming David's age equals to, because she is elder than 4 years older than David, so it will be, sorry, David is older than Sarah, so we'll write x plus 4, and Yasir is younger than Sarah, so we'll write subtract it. Alright, assuming Sarah's age is equals to x. So keeping that format in equation form again, I'm gathering all the alphabets. How many x? You can see 3x and 4 over here and minus 2. So 4 minus 2 it will be positive 2. So we'll write 3 of x, 4 minus 2 it will be positive 2, and then 47 equals to sometime it happens when we are solving directly, little things can make big mistakes. So 3 of x, 47 minus 2 it will be 45, and 3 is being divided multiplied, so other hand it will be divide. I'm writing it time and again so that you cannot forget this. It's an easy step and we should be more focused on it. So 45 divided by 3 it will be 15. So first number we have obtained is 15. X equals to 15, that was the age of Sarah, right? So David is 4 years older, so you're adding it up. So 15 plus 4 it will be 19. So David is 19 years old. Then we have Yasir. Yasir is x minus 2, 2 years younger than Sarah. So we'll write 15 minus 2, it will be 13. So that's how we have obtained the desired ages. by extracting the data from the question. Sarah's age is X, so Sarah is 15. So similarly, David is 15 years and Yasir is 13 years. Now next is, if a number is tripled, it gives the same result as when 28 is added to it. Let's do it. We are considering the number as X. So same result as adding 28 to it. Then we are tripling the number first of all. So that means X will be times with 3. So 3x equals to x plus 28. Now we are solving it. So we're gathering all the knowns and unknowns together. So x is being added over here, on the other end will be subtracted. So 3x minus x, it will be 2 of x equals to 28. Now 2 is being multiplied on the other hand, it will be divide. 28 divided by 2, it will be 2 1 time 2 and 2 4 times is 14. X we have obtained 14. Now we have to find out the number is 14. Next is, a travel agency is planning a holiday for a group of people. What we supposed to do? We have to, if the sum or total amount charged by each company is the same, find the number of people going on the holiday. Two of the companies has been given, Maya Express and Greatest Holiday. So considering it as again X, Maya Express equals to $15 they are charging per head, and other express while Great Holidays is charging $112 per person. This is what the information given from the question. I am just writing it out so that we can extract the information to make the sentences. So 12% plus fixed fee, that is $84, is 12x plus 84 simply. The next is, we are going to compare the total cost of both the companies. Then the statement will be, this is how we are comparing it. The total charges of Maya Express and total charges of Great Holidays. So it is 15 of x equals to 12x plus 84. This is the information I have extracted from the question, and gathering the knowns and the unknowns from the previous format. 15x minus 12 of x equals to 84. So it will be 3 of x equals to 84. Now 3 is going to divide the 84. So the answer will be 84 divided by 3. 3 8s are 24. So it is 28. So first answer is 28. Now let the number of people be x, that is x equals to 28. Find the number of people of going on the holidays. This is what we supposed to find it out from the given info. Next is the sum of two numbers, one of which is 2/3 of the other is 45. Find the smaller number. Now extract the given information. Two numbers are given. Let the larger number be x, then the smaller number equals to, that is 2/3 of the number which we have assumed as x. So 2/3 upon 2/3 into x we will write. I hope that you are understanding the question and finding it out as easiest one. Uh, what we need to do is to just extract the information, grasp the idea, observe the question thoroughly, understand it, and then explain it in the logical form, that is I'm writing right here. A statement has made. So now I'm taking the LCM. 3 and 1 would be 3. Simplifying the equation, it is divide, on the other hand it will be multiplied. For 45 times 3, it will be, this is 5 of x equals to 3 5 15, 1 carry 3 4 12 13, 135. Now 5 is being multiplied, on the other hand it will be divide. I'm keep on repeating it. Why? Because so that you can easily understand and go through it with it without having any kind of confusion. Five 2 times is 10, 3 5 7, 5 down, and 7 is a 35. Done. 27. So x is 27. A larger number we have obtained is equals to 27. Now the smallest number we have to find out. We'll write 2/3 into x, and 2 upon 3 multiplied by 27. Everybody knows about how to simplify cross multiplication. So it is 9, 3 1 times done, 2 9s are 18. So the smaller number is 18. So larger number is 27 and smaller number is 18. That's the entire question done. From 1 till 6 we have already completed according to the syllabus. If there will be a need, then inshallah I'll continue with another video from 7 onwards. Hope that you have understood the concept and the questions are crystal clear to you. If any kind of confusion you have, you can ask me, leave your comment. Take care. Allah Hafiz.